Hey friends, today's activity is going to watch these creatures grow. So what you need today is this grow creature toy that I got from Dollar Tree, a bucket of water, and a pitcher full of water so we can add more water into it. So we're going to start off with our creatures. I'm going to open these up. And we have a stingray. How cool is stingray? And we have a starfish. And that's 1, 2. Now let me read the directions because this is my first time doing this fun activity. It says, submerge your creature in a large container full of room temperature water. Make sure there is enough room for your creature to grow. Over the next few days, a few days is 2 days, 1, 2, your creature will grow to 600% of its original size. Wow! So, that means this is going to be huge depending on how much water I put in here. So I already have it halfway full. I'm going to add some more water in there because I want these creatures to grow, don't you? I'm excited to see how big they're going to grow. So here goes my stingray. And here goes my starfish. So over the next 2 days, I'm going to take pictures and we're going to come back to see how big our creatures are going to grow. So here we are. It's been a couple of days, so let's see how big our sea creatures have grown. Well, as you can see, they grew a little bit bigger over about a couple of days, so that's kind of cool, right? A starfish from the first day we saw it. Ooh, how fun. And according to directions, you can take them out, they'll shrink back to size, and you can do it all over again, over and over. Isn't that fun? And then our stingray, he's so cool. Isn't that neat? Okay, so I hope you had some fun with my sea creatures, my growing sea creatures. I'll see you next time. Bye!